Yeah, what's the why? You ain't got it on me. Touch the sky, but you ain't got it on me. 'Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah. I think we got it, right? Yeah, what's the why? You ain't.
Okay, obviously Angelina Jordan singing Mount Everest, and this is a, I would guess I would call it a sound check. And I titled it Sound Check, yeah, right. Sound check, short masterpiece. Yeah, there's no such thing as a sound check, or a rehearsal, or a practice, or a, whatever you want to call it. Angelina, whenever she sings, it's vocal perfection for the most part. Anyway, let us listen to this without my interference for a minute.
Got it on me. Touch the sky, but you ain't got it on me. 'Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah. I think we got it, right? Yeah. What's the why? You ain't got it on me. Touch the sky, but you ain't got it on me. 'Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah. I think we got it, right? Yeah. What's the why? You ain't got it on me. Touch the sky, but you ain't got it on me. 'Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah. I think we got it, right?
Yep, you got it right. Yes, you got it, Angelina. It's all good. I guess. I don't know what they're listening for. Maybe some kind of sound level thing, whatever. I don't know what that stuff is. So, but anyway, yeah, that's a beautiful little short clip. I'm going to listen one more time, and then we can cut out on this one, I guess. I hate to do it. It's been running, actually, you guys don't know this, but while I was monkeying around trying to get this up and all the other stuff that you got to do to make a video, I ran into some issues and so on. This was playing in the background probably for the last 10 minutes, maybe, or more. Quite a bit, actually. And didn't mind it, not one bit. Almost makes you happy to have problems, so you got a little longer to listen, right? So, we won't call them problems. We'll call them opportunities to listen to more Angelina. I think that I like that way of looking at it better. Let's listen again, and then we'll leave it for today. Hope you guys like these little short videos. I know it seems like a lot of people like the short stuff rather than the long stuff, so I will try to provide more shorter stuff.
Yeah, what's the why? You ain't got it on me. Touch the sky, but you ain't got it on me. 'Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah. I think we got it, right? Yeah.
Okay, guys, we'll see you on the next one, okay?